In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific slide in PowerPoint, a valuable skill for anyone who regularly presents and wants to create seamless transitions within their slides. Whether you're delivering a complex presentation or just want to smoothly jump from one part of your slide deck to another, this tutorial will guide you through the process with clarity. First, to get started, open your web browser and type in Microsoft PowerPoint into the search bar. This search will bring up the official link to Microsoft PowerPoint Online. Once you find it, click to open the link and you'll be directed to the PowerPoint homepage. From here, you'll need to log in to your account. Enter your credentials and sign in to access all your saved presentations or to create a new one. Once you're signed in, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to create a hyperlink that directs to a specific slide. Now let's focus on converting text or an object within your slide into a hyperlink. This item will serve as your jump-off point to the specific slide you want to link to. Select the text or object that you wish to convert. Simply click on it so that it is highlighted. With your item selected, the next step involves right-clicking on the selection. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Hyperlink or Link, depending on the version of PowerPoint that you're using. Clicking this option will open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, which is where you will set the parameters for your link. When the dialog box appears, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find various options for where your hyperlink can direct someone. For our purposes today, we will choose this presentation. Selecting this option tells PowerPoint that you intend to link to another slide within the same presentation file. Now, scroll through your slide list to locate the specific slide you want to link to. Carefully select it. At this point, all you need to do is click OK to finalize your hyperlink. This action links your selected text or object to the chosen slide, enabling you to navigate directly to it during your presentation with a simple click, and there you have it. A quick and straightforward method to create hyperlinks within your PowerPoint presentation. Now you can give your audience a smooth experience as you move between different sections of your slideshow, keeping your presentation engaging and fluid. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on enhancing your presentation skills.